Hi everyone, this is Carol at True Self Unmasked, and I just want to talk about the beauty of meditation. One of my mentors many years ago told me that if I want to get a sense of where I'm from, because if you believe in star seeds and star seed planets and where you're from, what happens when you do know where you are from, you get a sense of what your particular gifts and abilities are, outlook on life. If you're not sure, this might help you with that. So he said to me, meditate 30 minutes a day. That's just quiet your mind. Even if you don't get to quiet your mind for 30 minutes, just the intention of quieting your mind for 30 minutes a day will yield amazing results. Even if you only get quiet at the last minute, the last 30 seconds, it does get better, it does get easier, and you never have to do it. You never have to be quiet for 30 minutes. But the intention is there. You intend stillness and silence for 30 minutes. And before you go into meditation, you ask your higher power, whether it's your inner being, your higher self, or God Creator, or your guides, guardians, and angels, universal forces, infinite intelligence, any of the wonderful master teachers, Jesus, Allah, Buddha. What you can say is, okay, these are the three things. I request to know my starseed family. I request to know my gifts and ability. And I request to show me how to use them. Those are the three things that you can ask. Now, you can ask anything in meditation and get an answer. But in this particular case, I wanted to get more communication about my starseed family, and I also wanted to know what my gifts and abilities were. And what he said to me was, don't expect to get an answer right away, because they do want to see if you're serious about this. And once you become consistent with this, it might take 30 days, 60 days, 90 days. The consistency brings about attention, and then you get responses. I got a response that I didn't expect. I'm not really sure what I expected. I went into it with an open mind. And what I started to get were downloads, music. Now, that was weird, but it wasn't weird because I always have loved music. I used to play piano as a child. I didn't do it for a long time, but I feel very much in tune or in sync with music. And I remember one day when I was young, I remember announcing, I am one with music. I remember saying that in the middle of the living room. And I'm not really sure why. It's just that I love music so much. I love to dance and I love music. That's what came down. That's what came down. Daily, I started to get downloads of song after song. Some of them were known to me, but most of them were not known to me, but I could recognize what genre or the type of artist or the specific artist that they were coming from. I'm not kidding you. Some days it would be song after song after song after song after song. And other days it would be just a few songs. And sometimes I would get annoyed by it and I would say, stop, I'm trying to do something. But I would get songs so much that I just started to record the music. So I'm going to play some of the music. And some of it was from Prince, some of it was from Freddie Mercury, some of it was from, well, I got a lot of jazz. And I found out that I have jazz players on my father's side of the family. Big band music, children's music. I worked with children for decades, so that's not surprising. I got a song from Selena and Aretha Franklin. Anyway, I'm going to play a few of these songs and see if you can recognize the genre, the artist, or see if you can recognize the genre or the artist. It was pretty amazing to me. I do know my starseed family. On the day that I start talking about the different star seeds, I am going to reveal what mine is. And I believe I'm a mix. Sometimes I think I'm 2 or 3. Anyway, we're all coming into oneness. But the 2 or 3 that I recognize, I will share that within an upcoming video. But in the meantime, if you meditate with the intention of knowing what your gifts and abilities are and what starseed family you are from or you're associated with, it may be more than one. Do it and see what you get. It was a wonderful journey for me. And I got a chance to meet Carlos, who is a music producer who produced a lot of songs with me. So I'll play a few of them during this video and see if you can recognize the one inspired by Prince, the one inspired by Freddie Mercury, the one inspired by Selena, And then I have so many ones inspired by jazz. I guess that's my family. I found out later in life, I think I found this out, was it this year or later last year? I found out that my grandfather made all of his children play a musical instrument. They were all required to learn a musical instrument. And I just found this out. And I think it's wonderful. No wonder I love music. I wasn't raised with that grandpa, and he passed a long time ago. I never knew him. I never met him. Come to find out, he was musically inclined, and he loved music, and he wanted all of his children to learn a musical instrument. So there you have it. Anyway, I am Carol at True Self Unmasked. Thank you for watching. If you are wanting to know your talents and abilities, check out my book, You're Not Going Crazy, 101 Ways to Silence Your Inner Critic. It will help you meditate, and it'll help you know your starseed family. It will help you know what your talents, gifts, and abilities are. The link is in the description. I'm here every day. You're welcome to come back and join me again. Take care. Bye.